let's do a little bit of cleanup of our home page. So here you'll see that this still says welcome to Rio2 and it has some default text in here. Well, let's change that. Go to our index, welcome to Rio2, which is right here. Change Rio2 to food back, and instead of this information right here, we'll say best place for restaurant reviews. And down here you can really say whatever you want, but this is just my example here. Never eat at a bad restaurant again. Save it, do a refresh. There you go. And we're not looking for a new home, we're looking for a restaurant. So instead of find your new home, find a great restaurant. Do a refresh. There you go. And if we go to our show page, we have some information here that we don't want either. So let's get rid of this contact agent and change this find your new home. So, and actually before I go there, I'm going to copy all of this right here. Go to our show page, get rid of this contact agent box, which is right here, by going down like this, and then starting from the paragraph all the way down to the end of the form, paste in what I copied, and I'll have to move it back. Now if we do refresh here, fantastic. And we can actually take out this buy it now here as well, which is right here. Save it, do a refresh. There you go, it's gone. If we go back to our home page, we have that buy it now here as well, so we can take that out on our index page. Buy it now. Starts right here, ends down here. Do a refresh, that's gone. And if you'd like, you could add some more information down here as well. For me, I'm just going to delete it. So take this all the way down to the end here, delete it, refresh, and there you go, it's gone. And down here, I'll leave this up to you to customize. Fairly simple. These are just links that you can link to the different pages. If you'd like, you can put in a Flickr API down here, or Twitter or Facebook, something like that. This is our hard-coded information for your address, so you can put whatever address you'd like there. You can change this information. We can do that right now actually in the footer. Instead of Rio2, say food back. There you go. You can put in a tagline, customize the text right here by just going into the footer. So a lot of other things that you can do to customize this to what you want it to be. And even here for our search, if we go into one of our show pages and you write a review, you can see that we didn't style this form yet. So I can leave that to you, or I'll leave that to you to do on your own time. Very simple. You can just grab one of the forms that we currently have, or the ones that we've already gone through, and style it your way, or you can go online and find a different type of form to style this. But I'll leave that to you, because that should be fairly simple to do, and it'll be a good exercise. Alright, and so let me just see if there's anything else. The contact us page here, this isn't working. we don't have anything here, and on the right hand side is this Google API map. But because this is a contact us page, maybe you'll want this to show the address that you have in your footer right here, so that it'll show the location of wherever your organization is located. And you can get this contact page us working, so I'll leave that to you as an exercise to do. But for the most part, our application is pretty well built out. We have our restaurants, we have our reviews, we've fixed up the homepage so that it shows us correct information here, added some functionality down here to only show us restaurants that are within our general vicinity. Have a view all here that'll show us all the restaurants ever. So there's a lot of functionality in here to get you started, and I'll leave the rest up to you to customize. So if you want to add an image back here, you'll see that these are all placeholders. So you can definitely add an image there. You can see we have placeholders here as well. Maybe if you want to have a different default image, you can definitely do that versus going to placeholder it. You could possibly require an image to be uploaded if somebody is creating a review. And maybe instead of write a review letting you create a new restaurant, you want somebody to search a restaurant first, right? So you want them to kind of be given this form right here before they truly create a new restaurant. So maybe if you click on write a review, it takes you to some sort of search form that'll have a drop down of restaurants that you can choose from before you actually create a new restaurant. And so if they can't find their restaurant, they might have a button over here that says actually create a new restaurant. So little things like that are definitely great exercises to go through. Now, after all the knowledge that you've gained going through this course, I'm fairly confident that you can do that on your own. You can go in here, change up this form, give us the search page again, or the search form, excuse me. On the right hand side, just create a new link here that'll take you to creating a restaurant, which is this form right here. If you'd like, you could pretty up this form so that it looks a little bit better, so that this address form, for example, could possibly be address 1, address 2, and it's just the layout's a little bit better. You could definitely do that. So there's a lot of potential here still to really pretty up the application and customize it to your needs. But for now, I believe this is a fantastic launching pad to a reviews website. So this doesn't even have to be a restaurant reviews. It could be plumbing reviews, it could be contractor reviews, it could be any sort of reviews type of website. We just chose restaurants to be the course here because everybody's very familiar with the restaurant review site. So there you have it. It's a fantastic application. Again, a very good launching pad, and I am confident that you'll be able to take this course and build out your own application, maybe use even a totally different type of theme. So you don't have to use a theme that we used throughout the course. You can go out and buy your own theme, buy your own reviews theme, and just start plugging in your Ruby code. And I've shown you how to do that throughout this course. So again, I'm confident that you can do that. So here you have it, a fleshed out application that is very functional. It has a lot of features in it that you can do. It's got search, writing reviews, ratings, plugging in your code, showing you through geocoder how to get through the latitude and longitude, and showing you only restaurants within your general vicinity. So there's again a lot of functionality here, and I will leave the rest up to you to customize.